Year, hospitals expect to see an increase in sickness after the holiday season. This year is no different, with RSV, COVID, and the flu going around even before the holidays started. Now, 3 days out from Christmas, our Marissa Thomas spoke with doctors from hospitals in the area. And Marissa, concerning these viruses, what's the one thing they're seeing?
Good evening, Mike. The medical director of the emergency department at UPMC said that while there's been a slight bump in COVID cases, the amount of severe cases that needed hospitalization have remained consistent.
With people gathering and socializing for the holidays, the number of people contracting viruses has increased.
We've been seeing a lot of viral illnesses recently. There's been COVID that's still been hanging around. There's RSV and influenza. RSV and flu are the big ones that we've been seeing recently. A lot of people are coming in with multiple symptoms, and those are the two big ones.
With New Year's Eve around the corner, it's expected that the number will continue to rise. Fortunately, RSV and flu are both viruses the hospital is prepared to face.
We're always ready for the next virus to come along. The flu, influenza, RSV, they've been around for a while, so we're used to handling it. They're typically higher during these winter months, so we're preparing for everything.
Dr. Chris Camarata says the increase in viral cases is expected and modest, but compared to the past few years, the cases are higher.
We had not seen influenza or RSV almost at all during COVID because of the masking and social distancing. So it did come back with a vengeance this year. The numbers certainly would count for a pretty heavy season for both of them. And then you add COVID into that. Yes, it's been busy.
Viruses aren't the only concern for the medical community. Camarata says that this year patients are suffering. Since COVID, a lot of people have missed vital routine checkups.
We're seeing a lot of late-stage cancers even presenting through the emergency department, and we're diagnosing them. Though it's been very busy in the medical field, we would certainly encourage you to look past that and understand that your health is important.
Only 3 days until New Year's Eve. A few reminders for those making plans from doctors are to wash your hands and to monitor your health. They urge individuals having any symptoms or learned of any close contact to stay home for the holiday. Live from the studio, Marissa Thomas, Erie News Now.